isn't it?
You want to try and get the other one small?
Jake style.
Danny's so funny. Bunch of gypsies. You need to get the other end of that, Rich.
Get that. There you go.
Oh, the beds are all bent.
Huh?
Alright.
Oh, I can take the bed.
No, don't take the bed.
Can't take a bent one.
No, I wouldn't
Oh
take
my
it.
god.
Yeah, I
We're
got
up
this.
there, Rich.
No, I can't take a bent bed.
So we're leaving the frames or what?
I don't know.
They're up here still.
Did you want the frames or not, Jake?
No,
The metal thing?
Okay. Come on, push it.
Oh, the whole thing's
Go
moving.
ahead, push it on up in there.
What you do, Rich?
Is there a bumper?
Yeah, there's a bumper there. But his belly's too big, he'll knock himself off.
Hey, watch out. Rich.
Look out!
Well, oh, hold on, he's
Rope
throwing a
coming.
hook over. Oh, I thought it was a hook.
It's like a whaling hook.
Flying, Rich. You keep trying to get out of
He thinks he's just a supervisor.
Think we should adjust it a little bit more?
it. No, this rope will adjust.
The rope will adjust.
Just make a family hillbilly,
That's what he said, the gypsies.
I like how riding lawnmowers tied up there.
Oh my god!
Picnic tables. Antique mirrors.
No.
What'd he say about the metal frames? He doesn't want to take them?
Jake said he could sell them.
Sell them.
Well, we can set these at the bottom of the trash.
Up to eat it, Applebee's.
Yeah.
Oh, you want lucky glasses?
One for Bob, or one in the casino. Got some for Bob. He gave me some money that month.
Who's calling?
My mom or Bob?
I did. Did your grandpa get any rope in his truck?
Shit, I don't know.
Might ask him.
Here.
There's a piece right there. Keep that, Rich. Tied on the back.
Here, no, what
This one? I'll give it back to you tomorrow. Here, this way.
Get the knot out.
Long enough?
Here's a hoop already.
How did you get the riding lawnmower up there?
I pulled down into the loading ramp where the trucks go.
Yeah,
Back in.
yeah.
Pulled down in there and pushed it on the truck.
Oh god.
How'd you
I
get it
thought
off?
it was good. How'd you get it off?
I tied a rope around the front axle and then.
That ain't the one that smashed your dick, is it?
No, no. I killed that one. I heard about that, huh?
You showed everybody in El Dorado County that.
You weren't living here then, was you?
No.
I heard about it via telephone.
Via telefono. Smash Dick Bono. What's that hydraulic run all the time?
Yeah, as long as the weather's running. Don't want to grab that bell.
No, you don't think?
You gotta get that button.
What finger? Well, son of a bitch. When did that happen?
We'll run down and get it.
You have this back light on. A year ago.
No?
December.
Goddamn,
Is
son
my
of a
voice
bitch.
on video?
Yes.
Got your ass fucking smashed and then
Are you gonna?
tore a finger off?
Yeah.
Well, don't. He'll be gone in a second.
Fuck, I don't think I'm gonna be a sleeper. What the hell?